you have a sliding miter saw, then you most likely have the capability to cut dados with it using a trenching feature. All you do is flip this little lever and adjust this screw to set the depth. You're also going to need a backer board like you see here. If you don't use one, then the saw won't be able to make the full cut and you'll be left with kind of a little curve on the edges. So you need the backer board to move your workpiece out a little bit just so the saw can cut to the full depth throughout the entire piece. Then it's just as simple as marking out your lines, establishing your cuts, and trenching it out. So there's three different ways you can use a countersink bit. The first is just as a regular drill bit. And the second, obviously, is as a countersink bit. The third way is as a countersink, but to also leave a hole for a plug.